Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Tuesday, October the 13th. My name is Barry Anderson. I'm the moderator of our room. This is the address to get in, and we're open from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern. Usually, I stick around for a little bit afterwards to answer some questions. All right, one excellent trade today. Just want to go over that one first, and that would be the VLT trade. Now, I am actually still in it. Let me just bring up VLT. And it's not VLT, it is VTL. VTL. And this came on, as you probably know, if you've been following the videos, you know that we've got our AI strategy channel lurking in the background. We're still waiting to release it. It may be tomorrow, but I'm not 100% sure. Anyway, one of the ones we really like are these penny pumpers. And so VTL came in at 466. I've been waiting. We didn't have one yesterday. We had a couple on Friday. They didn't really work out, but the few days before that, we had several excellent ones. So this one was really good also. So let me just show you where the alert was, 466. But really, why I found it excellent is that here's the alert, 466. So you see, this is yesterday, really doing nothing. And so we got the alert right at 466. And so before it made the big move. And if you take a look at the daily on this, you're going to see why, I'm toying with the idea of swinging this. Now I did buy more at 530. I may get out if it goes below 5, but certainly I'm looking at this one and thinking, you know, this is a massive gap. Obviously, this is I believe, of course, it's some kind of a little bio, and so it had obviously some really bad news, and it's just been kind of in this area for a bit. But now it looks like it's trying to break out. I'm actually a little bit surprised that it wasn't. We have two, actually. We have a couple here, VTL, BLPH, and this is on the 2-day alert. And I'm surprised this wasn't on the 2-day alert, just based on this void on top of it. But BPLH is the other one. I'm definitely going to be watching it. I'll bring up the chart just a bit. But this was just a great trade. Let me just bring up the 15-minute chart. I actually got into the trade a little bit late. I wanted to see it clear. I think it was this area here. I wanted it clear. Got in at 480 actually, and sold some at 520 and 498. Sold some up here, and then as it came back down through $5, all in this action here. But just a really, really excellent alert from the AI channel. Um, and let's take a look at BLPH. So the alert is at $3.80. It's obviously done nothing since then. Not as attractive on the daily. It's not bad, but it's not as attractive on the daily as the other one. Though, I mean, look, this is what it's seeing: a nice big void on top of this. So definitely going to keep watching this one. Want to see if it can at least hold 380 today. If we get a little bit of a pop later on in the day, maybe it goes through $4, and maybe then I will take it and actually hold it for the next day, because in theory it is a 2-day swing. I'm going to cut this one short, guys. I want to get back into the room. We had a little bit of a problem. I just want to make sure that we don't have any more disruptions in the room. But also I traded LCSS, LSCC, Hasbro, Sabre, Smuckers, all for, let's see, I think everyone was for a small gain except for the LSCC. It took a small loss on the second part of it. But anyway, this was the exciting one, the VTL, obviously the exciting one for us. And again, more impressed by the fact that we caught the alert really, really early. I mean, oftentimes we see these things, we get alerted here, and they could still go up, awfully nice, but it's great that the AI channel picked it up at 466, okay? And like a great early alert. And here we are for 521. So hopefully it can just regain this and move on up. All right. We'll see you tomorrow. Let me just bring back the cover page. We had a record in the room today, and unfortunately had a technical problem, and I had to close the room down. I didn't realize I didn't have to quite close it down. Hopefully, if you get this, you'll come back into the room tomorrow. Bunch of great traders, boy. We're really building something, and I think as the AI earning season starts getting into full swing, we're going to have more grid alerts. You're going to be able to pick the types of things that you like to do. If you like the opening range breakdowns, or these were actually short ones, but well, obviously this is a hold, this is an opening range break. If you like the cheaper ones, we've got this. We had some spectacular ones on the 4 day. The 4 day, I think DY was one. Let me just bring it up just to, I'm pretty sure this was one that was on the 4 day. Yeah, you can see, I think the alert was up here and it just fell from there all the way down here. That's about like a $3 or $4 swing. And in theory, this is a 4 day short hold. Not that I would do that, but I mean, even if you just wanted to day trade it, it was spectacular. So anyway, want to get back to the room. So thanks very much for listening and I hope to see you in the room tomorrow.